Floods are in my big green pasture. Lock the gates and damn. A dirty creek of false disaster. Go and ring the bell. I cut the line of empty fables. Watch them grow again. A deal on a fallen table. Going round the bend. And brush them off. Don't give a light of day. Nothing could be so fine in a world where you don't have to pay. How could you even see, boy, with your head on fire? They're fighting on the inside, but there's peace for me. Nothing's what it seems. Come back home. Nothing's what it seems. Come back. Nothing's what it seems. Come back home. Nothing's what it seems. Come back, brush them off. Don't give a light of day. Nothing could be so fine in a world where you don't have to pay. How could you even see, boy, with your head on fire? They're fighting on the inside. There's peace for me. Look ahead by all the things to see way back then. You're in the desert now with nothing but a fold up chair. You look ahead by all the things to see way back then. You're in the desert now with nothing but a fold up chair. Nothing's what it seems. Nothing's what it seems. Nothing's what it seems. Nothing's what it seems.
The trees are getting ready, shaking off their green. Yellow, red and brown, nowhere to be found. Timid, gentle, naked shivers, waiting patient on the queen to tuck him in, hiding what has been. In the splitting of each second, it's piling higher, changing the complexion. It's piling higher, highest. An infinite collection is piling higher, piling silent. Underneath the frozen blood is home of where the healing occur. Micromanufacture night, the man or beast can hear restoring life, restoring life, restoring life, restoring life, restoring life. The clearing white. The sky is on the ground, earth is turning slow. Glowing city patterns in the snow. Humankind is rushing, doing what we know. Filling needs a holding overflow. Filling needs a holding overflow. In the splitting of every second.